Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, the National Day. Today the National Day will be open to everyone. Software will support us on the array is fan page. This is my own software fan page. This software is the first. It has the same main functions as page creation. Everybody's a little bit. All the software with me posts automatically. Then everyone knows. Then we're going to have this content section. Then we can create content that we can post. Or are we? Yes, that's the basic thing in we. This software is more than functional. The function that helps us to create fan pages. Here we will create fan page and other functions. As we're going to use the page to post this. Page to go to this post, this is a seeding function. Then we can post to the group and post it on a page. Let's feed our fan pages. And we can schedule posts. That or other functions like this sharing. Then the function of bringing fan page to the bottle, in groups for example. Now I will. Try the page creation function for everyone. To that. Go comment. If we want to do that, we first have to create a content we will calculate later. I will go to this page creation function. I currently have 4 nicks here. This nick is pretty old. You guys are the first nick. Yeah, the nicks are new now. The rate at which it gets its page is a little low. So we're going to use a little old nick. I will try to create a page for each account. Come on, I'll get it. This is the name of the page. I've already created this. Everyone creates just like me. Then I'll paste it here and paste it in this box. Each name is separated by a line. This is the name of the page and we will enter it in the list. Everyone has to check this box. Enter according to this list. This page does not match this. Enter this profile. My profile will be this contact. Then there's avatar. That's avatar. Avatar, I can take a picture. This is an avatar and this is a cover photo. The cover photo, everyone remembers the right thing. Take the size of the Facebook cover photo. Is okay. That's this cover photo. Here we will transfer the admin. That's when we create. From another via. Then we can be the manager by a child account, our main. So we're easy to manage. Unfortunately for this nick we are out of luck. Hey Nick, it's locked or something. We still have a nick, so that we can be backup and it will. You can manage the pages you create. Here we're going to get a nick's ID. Facebook any. Now I'm going to try everyone. And now I'm going to click Start. I currently have 2 slightly lower. I now have 4 NIC. I let all 4 of them go. Run for it fast. Let's all follow. When you run, you are with me. We'll have it will run this hide, it will run this hide. That it will run this hide. Here. I have 2 nicks here. This account does not have permission to create this guy Nick, he can't run. And here I am with 2 children. And it will. If you can, it will run. Waiting for this administrator. We will check together later. Let's see how it goes, people. Ah, Millet. I think this part is a bit ridiculous. I should have left one to test. Well, people note that Nick can't create a page. It's because it can't create. It's Nick, not the software. Everyone, please give me this. That we are. I will check this now. It's not because the software couldn't create it, it's because Nick couldn't make it. I invited my sister to try to log in. My Facebook nick is here. Let's see if there's an announcement. Here's which one it was. Created this. I will be able to accept the invitation. Here. And that's when we use software that lets us create. Then we can be. Moving on, it's very messy. So when you're done creating this, you see this. It creates this automatically. For it creates itself. This bio is the introduction. Change this cover photo, this cover arbitrarily. Then, here's this cover photo and this personal photo. I saw it upload a picture, but it hasn't changed. Here I changed it. Help it. Then we will create. These pages are automated, and the software will run everyone. Here I will run. Well, normally, the fan page is what it is. On a nick, we'll have it. In the past, it was a lot, but now it's about creating a fan page. It's going to get harder. Because people see is that there are nicks that can't create this and nicks. And now it is. When I get to the second page, I didn't change the IP, so the Facebook kit it's scanning is going to. First, we just created a page, and we can go back to the next day. Every day we create 1 to 2 pages per Avia account. That Uncle, now you. Nick this be a number it created successfully, then I can be. My manager will load it out. I have a page. Down below, we have it. I've created a page. Let's load the pages. These guys have created this fan page. I tried to lock in and see if everyone is in. This guy Nick has also been successful.
Con nick này nó cũng đã tạo thành công rồi.
That just now, I have also introduced these. Features of the MKP will support people can create mass fan pages. And then we could use these fan pages. To go automatic posting this well now I will. Try a post on your personal page. I have kids pages that we've created, for example. I will try it now. Well, people notice that if it's our fan page yet. It has been successfully created. If your car doesn't work, we will. Running here. Run here for us to invite again. Now I will try to post. Try posting everyone's fan page. Here I will. Use this fan page, these accounts. Here and I will post. I will post it. I will post here and I can create content. Or now I'm going to take the content above one at a time. This is my fan page. Now I'm going to go into a Nick, I'm going to a fan page. I'm going to go to this page to get a post. I will take the ID of this page and I will paste here, enter this page ID. Not duplicate this article. Here, and when we post, we may have the right to edit content. At the end of this, we will be able to more as, let's sing a song. Then we'll take the song and we'll add a song. Tag each of these. And now I'm going to click Start. People note that. All I have now is running away. Should be. It will run and it will have a part. Announce the process here and the results. Soon we will be together. Go to the place to check. I think Nick is here to check. Let's see what its post looks like. And then, after that, it's done. I will check everyone together now. I'll put some in to check. As you can see, it copies. Is that it could be. You can repost it here. We will check it. That copy also gets everyone's video. When he copied that post, it can always be a card to video and we'll repost. It's a lot of shit, guys. So everyone is completely assured that it's completely obtainable. And these are the
Cái bài
posts.
viết là nó
It can't be identified. It will be posted like
đăng
this.
như thế này.
Next,
Tiếp theo,
we will
chúng ta
check.
sẽ kiểm tra. Bài
This
này
song
chắc
must be
là
it.
nó
You can't get the video.
lấy được video thì phải. Đây,
This is a
còn
real
đây là một
post.
bài đăng
It's also a post from a
bài
video.
đăng từ video. Đó,
This is what we
đây,
see.
chúng ta có thấy là cái
The hashtag
cuối
is
cùng
at
của
the
mình
end.
đây. Mình đã
I
để
put it down here.
dưới này.
In
Còn,
software,
đây
it can
có
be.
thể là hỗ
It's
trợ
about helping
cái này
people
viết
get articles
video.
and videos. That's the thing that uses a
Cái
MKP.
việc mà sử dụng cái con MKT page này để
Here to
đăng
repost
lại
the
bài viết
article
và
and to
để
create a
tạo page thì
page.
nó
It's
rất là
very
hiệu quả, sẽ
effective. It
giúp
will
chúng
help
ta
us
để
build
xây dựng
things.
những cái tên
Satellite fan
fanpage
page file
rất
is
là
very
tốt
good,
để
so
chúng
that we
ta có
can
thể, hoàn
improve
thiện
their sales
cái kênh bán
channels.
hàng. Chúng ta
We'll
sẽ
have ecosystems. Dear,
mình sẽ đây,
this is
khi
when
mà
I create fan
tạo ra
pages,
những cái
people will
fanpage là mọi người sẽ
remember your
tên
brand
thương hiệu
well.
của mình. Là
This is the national day I just
đây,
created.
mình vừa tạo đây. Đấy,
That's what I
mình vừa
just
tạo.
created. There are a lot of
Trang
pages on this
Facebook này
national day.
rất là nhiều. Chúng ta
We're going
sẽ
to
tạo,
create this page feeding
những
software.
người page này. Tạo
Create
ra
it
đây,
very quickly, and now just search for
search
National
của
Day.
MKT thôi, là cái thông
Your
tin của mình.
information,
Tất
all
cả
of us,
chúng ta sẽ
everyone will see it,
thấy và
and your name will
sẽ
be more recognizable.
biết hơn. Và chúng
And
ta
we can
sử
use
dụng
that.
cái
This
fanpage
fan page to go to post, it's very effective. What about Mill It? I also recommend this video. It's simple about the software. That's all this mock tape. What if everyone need to run more clearly, need to run better? Remember to follow your channel. Let yourself out the video next so that everyone can be using the best software. Hello everyone.